Is your Windows 11 update KB5085516 failing with the message your device is missing important security updates? In this video, I will show you a quick and easy fix to solve it fast. Go to Search and type Services. Open it. Now find Windows Update. Double-click on it. Here, set the startup type to automatic. Then click on Apply and click OK. Now right-click on Windows Update again. Click on Restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double-click on it. Set it to automatic. Click on Apply, then click on Start. And click OK. Now right-click on it again. Click on Restart. Now double-click on App Readiness. Set it to automatic. Click on Apply, then click on Start, and click OK. Now right-click on App Readiness. Click on Restart. Now go and check for Windows updates. Here is the next solution. Go to Search and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now copy and paste the commands one by one. Paste the first command and press Enter. Wait until it is 100% complete. Then copy and paste the next command. Again, wait until it is 100% complete. Do the same for all commands. After all commands are completed, simply restart your computer. That's it. Your update issue is fixed. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.